Brandon Shaw here with Cryolite Properties Unlimited. I'm standing outside the home located at 63 Cuevas Road over in West Point, Mississippi. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on around 3.7 acres. And this home has approximately right at 1,500 square foot. And let's go take a look at the exterior. This home is nestled back, like I said, on 3.7 acres here in West Point, Mississippi. It's got a beautiful yard, beautiful front porch here. As you enter the front door, you're greeted by this nice large living room. Just off the other side of the living room, you'll enter the primary suite.